In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Vencord. Firstly, you need to know that Vencord violates this course's terms of service, so use it at your own risk. Now download the Vencord installer from Vencord website. Run the installer and select Stable as the installation type and click Install and wait for the process to complete. Open Discord and go to User Settings. If you see Vencord in the settings, it is installed successfully. Now, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Vencord extension. Install it like any other browser add-on and open Discord in your browser, then go to User Settings. If you see Vencord in the settings, it's working. Just now go to User Settings, scroll to the Vencord section, click Plugins and enable the plugins you want by toggling them on. Restart Discord if prompt and apply changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.